Have you ever dreamed of launching your very own immigration multi-services business? Your dream is closer than you think, and we're here to help you make it a reality. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your services, these guides provide the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. 1. Form Immigration Preparer Study Guide. For just $75, this all-inclusive guide walks you through every step of becoming a qualified immigration preparer, helping people navigate the complexities of immigration with confidence. 2. How to Transfer Your Case. Priced at $165, this guide delivers detailed, step-by-step instructions on how to successfully transfer your case from the National Visa Center to another U.S. embassy. No more guessing or worrying, just clear, actionable guidance to get it done right. 3. How to Start a Credit Repair Business. Why stop at immigration services? For only $99, this invaluable guide teaches you how to expand your offerings by starting your own credit repair business. With over 50 sample letters included, you'll have everything required to support a better financial future. Available on all major platforms including Amazon, Kindle, Barnes & Noble, Apple Books, Google Books. Kobo and Baker & Taylor, they're accessible wherever you are whenever you're ready to take the next step. All 3 guides are authored by Flaca Alexis, an expert with the insights and experience to help you succeed. Don't wait to start building your dream business. Order your copies online today or reach out to us at 561-410-2142 or 561-927-5132. You can also visit us at 3141 S Military Trail, Suite 201, Lake Worth, Florida 33463. Take the first step towards a brighter future. Start today with our expert study guides.